Feel like I just gave birth. So I'm back at Chiang Kong Market looking for a second-hand
parts available. I need Chiang Kong Wi-Fi.
I've got a squeak in my dashboard. Let's go see if they found it. Where is that squeak coming from? There's my dashboard. Where is that squeak coming from? There it is. Well, somewhere in there is the broken part. All that work was just to get this unit out. You'd think they would make it the design so they could do maintenance easier. Yakma, It's a 5-hour job. So that's the part there that he's after. They think it's broken either here or on that side. It's supposed to be a gear right here, so this thing can move, and it opens and closes the flap. So right now it's just closed all the time, so it's just blowing constantly cold air. So he can't finish it today. He's going to check with second-hand shops and see if they can find a spare part for it. See, it's broken here. That's where it broke here. The previous shop found the broken piece, but there's supposed to be a cover and a gear here, and that's missing, and they said that it's not them. So I'm back at Chiang Kong Market looking for a second-hand aircon unit because they don't sell it anymore and they're out of stock, so I need to find the second-hand one. And I just happened to stop over there, and he didn't have any, and then I just walked this way and I saw a bunch of units. He certainly has a lot of them. Still looking. Oh, I have to move my car. It's right next door to where I bought the car seat from. Jar my cup. We're just gonna check to see if it's got the gear inside there. See if it's a match. Oh, I think that's it. Okay. Okay, so he wants 1,700 baht, down from 2,000 for the whole thing. I only need this thing here. Oh, I'm the proud father of a new part.
Hello,
He's the
I am
owner.
Pakistan. This auto parts, new Japanese auto parts available, engine control, ECU, injector, coil. Not all engine parts available. I need this Chiang Kong City. This is my shop, no problem. How are you, brother?
Thank you. And in she goes. Okay, thank you. Kapun kap. Found the part. Let's go back to the garage now and see if they can put it together. What a mess. The gear calibrate ใช่ไหม สีฟ้ากับสีฟ้า
ใช่
Feel like I just gave birth. So he's got to calibrate something. It looks like that. Thought he would have calibrated it before he put it in. Just 2 hours ago, he had it running, and then he had to take it all apart again. He's got it all in pieces again. So that's the part that was broken and missing. That's a lot of wires. Already got the dashboard back. Working. Got cold and hot. I've never had hot before. Guess if we ever go to the mountains, we might need the hot. It's fixed. 3 days. Gonna go for a test drive. There's my old tires. Getting some new ones. Yokohama.